Welcome to Silver Bar Stacker, folks. I hope everybody's doing well and enjoying their day. Today we've got a very exciting unboxing here, and I know I don't like to do too many unboxings as of late, but I guess I have been liking to do a lot of unboxings as of late. This one's one that I'm super excited about because it's going to be another new addition to the stack, and it's not going to be something pressed like you're used to kind of saying. I'm really into the press stuff, as you can see by what's here on the table. I don't think we see any poured stuff here, right? So as you know, I really like to specialize in the press stuff, and that's for a variety of reasons, which I won't get into because it's not related to the topic of this video. But I am super excited to open up this poured bar, which I don't have yet in the stack an example of, because poured bars in general are something that's and rounds are something that are very exciting for me, and so it's very exciting when it's a special one, on top of the fact that it's a poured bar, though most of the poured things are special to me just because of the nature that they're poured. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. It's not going to be an HB instant ink cartridge, I hope, but let's go ahead and see what we got here. Very exciting for me. Now here we have the bar here, and here's just some padding. I know I'm only expecting one single bar to be here, so let's go ahead and dramatically open this up and show you what we're dealing with here. It's going to be a short video today, but it's going to be a very, very short and sweet video. So go ahead and take a look at this. We've got a USVI Ingot Company stacker here, but let's take a look at this, folks. What you normally expect to see is a typical USVI Ingot Company stacker, one of these bad boys, right? Because that looks very much like this. Sometimes its assay lot number will vary, but for the most part, you know, that's kind of what you would expect to see on the front. You'd expect the front to look something like this. All right, and take a look at these assay lot numbers. They're not too far off. 973, and you got 992 over here. And sometimes these will also say A-mark precious metals on the back as well. So lot number will vary. This sometimes will vary. It might say A-mark precious metals, but in this case they both say USVI Ingot Company, so one would think that, hey, it's going to look just like this on the front. But what's very exciting is because this is the first time I'm getting a type of bar where the reverse, is actually different. Oh, actually I have another stacker, the C. Ryan and Associates bar, Seattle, Washington. I've got that bar as well, which is going to have a different reverse, but this is the first time I have this type of a bar. Now let me go ahead and undramatically flip it over. This is something I'm extremely excited about. My first time getting an Anaheim Metal Co obverse on the 10-ounce stacker. It looks almost identical in every aspect until you flip it over and you notice that, wow, yes, they are not stackable. Actually, this part they are stackable here, but if you flip them over this way, it's not stackable because actually this part extrudes out, but in this case it goes inwards. So in actuality, you cannot stack it like this. You can stack it like this, but you cannot stack it like this. That's a one and only interesting thing I will note, outside of the fact that the obverses are different. So very, very exciting for me. And let me go ahead and show you what the 1 ounce counterparts look like as well, because that's another thing that we've got to compare. So here you've got a 1 ounce stacker as opposed to a 10-ounce stacker, and here you got a 1 ounce Anaheim Metal Company stacker. These are actually in the original factory seal, from my understanding. You got a sheet of 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So take a look at the front here. Anaheim Metals Company. Anaheim Metal Company. Same sort of a front there. So you got your 1 ounce counterpart, and you got your 10-ounce counterparts, and there you have it, folks. It's very, very exciting for me. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed checking out this beautiful, 10-ounce Anaheim Metal Company, USVI Ingot Company stacker. Cheers! Oh, and if you haven't had a chance to yet, be sure to check out our social media landing page at solo.to/silverbarstacker. There you can find our direct website link, which is silverbarstacker.com, as well as our links to our other social media channels, such as this very YouTube channel, our Facebook page, our Instagram page, our TikTok page, our Twitter page, and we also have the link to our Whatnot page, which is where we actually run our live auctions and actually also have all these same SBS drops that we hold. We run those same drops on our Whatnot store, and we also have live auctions happening literally all the time. So the way that you can be notified about those auctions is to be following us there on whatnot.com/user/silverbarstacker. And we hope to see you there, folks. Thank you, and have a great day.